Hello, welcome to the 5th lesson of our course. In this lesson, we will explore the Charts tool. Charts is a reporting tool that will help you visualize your findings and see the trends to benchmark your competitors. With the help of the tool, you can quickly estimate their PPC spendings, keywords, and traffic volume.
Also, you can compare how your competitors' PPC strategies differ in various countries in terms of keywords, traffic, and budgets. We will compare our domain with our top competitors' domains, which we explored earlier in the Advertising Research Report.
Let's type Domino's.com and PizzaHut.com and choose the metric we want to study. There are several paid metrics available for analysis: total keywords, traffic and traffic price, and new, lost, improved, and declined keywords. In our case, we can see that the first domain is way ahead of its competition in terms of paid keywords. But when it comes to paid traffic, there is only a slight difference. This offers some serious food for thought. There might be loads of paid keywords that do not drive traffic to your website, and there is much room for improvement. You can make comparisons across different databases to find out where your competitors are promoting themselves while you are not. Or you just want to compare the performance of the first domain in Italy and the second domain in Spain. Another useful scenario is to plot different metrics for a domain on a single graph. For instance, total keywords, traffic, and traffic price. We can evaluate how the effectiveness of our paid campaigns changes over time. Customize the plot, switching line graph into a bar graph or a pie chart. Set the time frame in which the data is shown. There are default time frames available: 30 days, half a year, 1 year, 2 years, and all time. Alternatively, you can choose a custom period of time by switching to the calendar view. In this lesson, we have reviewed the Charts tool, which is extremely helpful for visualizing the basic paid metrics. Explore the charts individually to get the most from the paid data provided by SEMrush. In the next module, we will learn how to perform keyword research using SEMrush tools. See you in the next video.